alaikum everyone, welcome back to Exclusive Models. Hope everyone have a day. Today's episode is going to be on how to cut a sleeve. This particular sleeve can be on a top, it can be on abaya dress. So this abaya dress sleeve, since we are cutting for 2 sleeves, we are going to fold it into 2 first. Then this is into 2 already, you can see. Then into 4. It depends on how big you want your sleeve to be. It can be wider than this, but yeah, this is the wideness that I want to use here, and the wideness I'm using is 8 inches. This is 8.1 inches. Then the length of my sleeve is going to be 22 inches. If you are if you are cutting out this particular sleeve, you must add excess to it because it's going to have gathers at the sleeve side, and that gather is going to reduce the length of the sleeve. So that means if you want to cut out your sleeve, if you are folding it out this way, you must add excess allowance to it. So this is the buttons I'm going to use to beautify the gathered part of the sleeve. You can use a color button the way it is on the thumbnail. You can also use this fancy button. It depends on the buttons you want to use. So since I'm folding this into 4 already, the next thing I'm going to do, and the length of our sleeve is 22 inches with the seam allowance. Then I'll come to this area. Then I'm going to come down to 4 inches. 4 inches. This is my 4 inches. Then I'm going to rule it out. This is where the 4 inches is. After that, I'm going to make a sketch like this, just to bring out the shape of the armhole. You can see that the next thing, I cannot cut it out. So you can see this is now the upper shape of the sleeve, and this down one, we're going to fold it in. If you want to stitch it down, I'm going to fold it in. Then I'm going to make my gathers. After making my gathers, I'm going to add my buttons to it. So let me go and show you the way to make the gathers and the stitchings. making the gathers, you can see. So the next thing is to add my buttons, starting from the tip here. To put it at that same line of the gathers, you can see. So you can see this is after putting the buttons. You can as well go up a little bit to full the button. You can see the one on the thumbnail, it has a full button. So if you want to make yours, you should make the button to be full, so as to bring out the beauty, you can see. So you can as well reach this area before stopping the button. So this is just 5 buttons just for the illustration. You can see how beautiful this turns out. And you can see the strip. This is the upper part they're going to have with the hammer. This is the down part with the gathers and a buttons. So if you're watching for the first time, please at the end of this class, please subscribe to my channel. And for those who have already subscribed, I appreciate you guys for watching my video always. See my next tutorial. Assalamu alaikum.